Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you 麻辣香锅. This is a very popular Sichuan and Chongqing dish. In English, it literally means numbing and spicy aromatic pot. Let me show you what I prepared. So actually I prepared same way I prepared for hot pot. This is considered like you can say dry version of hot pot and the cooked version of hot pot. So this is my spices, chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorn. This is star anise and cinnamon stick and fennel seeds. Of course, we need broad bean paste with chili. So the Doubanjiang. That's how I make my hot pot base. And for the ingredients, I have fish fillet. This is basa fish fillet. You can use tilapia or codfish. I just sliced. And I have few shrimp. Some of them I left shell on. They will depend just for the look, for the color. And here are the big bowl of vegetables. You have enoki, mushrooms, and napa cabbage, lotus roots sliced. So I used the half. This is the other half. They look like that. I just sliced it. And here's wood ear mushroom, black fungus. Because this is before it's soaked. You see how small and dry. Let's show you guys one piece here. So small, right? And that took over an hour and a half. Look, expanded. I love wood ear mushrooms. And this is beancurd sticks. Of course, I already soaked. So I left one to show you guys. It's like this, made from soybeans. Mr. Cameraman said, please prepare extra. So I have a lot here.
I love that.
Yeah,
That's
so this is
favorite.
dry. I soaked over an hour and a half. They're good, right?
Yes.
And potato, one potato sliced, not too thin, not too thick. It's about a 1/4 inch. Cauliflowers. Actually, this is Chinese cauliflowers. You can see the stem is greener, right? It tastes a little different. It's a fresher taste. I guess tastier, put that way. And what else? Of course, trio, green onion, ginger, garlic. What else? That's it. And we are ready to cook. I prepared a pot of water. So we'll start with the vegetables, which take a longest time. That would be lotus roots, potato, and let this cook about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, we add the other vegetables, napa cabbage, mostly stems, and beancurd sticks, cauliflower, and wood ear mushrooms. Wow, big pot of vegetables. And we will also add our shrimp, fish fillet, and let this cook about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, we just need to add enoki mushrooms. They're very quick. I know Mr. Cameraman not a big fan of this, right? You think it's very chewy?
It's good.
I love it. Now we are ready to strain, and I'm going to also run under the cold water quickly. I'm heating up my wok to medium. We add some oil. And add Doubanjiang. And all spices. And a trail, green onion, white part, ginger, garlic. Wow, it is aromatic, isn't it?
Yeah, very aromatic. Smells great.
Now we add all ingredients. Give it a stir. Wow. Beautiful. So all ingredients already cooked, right? It's a matter of incorporating them. Let me add some salt. Now add green onions. Let me just have a quick taste. Give me a piece. Wow, delicious. Just a little bit salt. And we'll garnish with the cilantro. And some, if you have roasted sesame seeds. Our Xiang Guo is ready. Mala Xiang Guo. Mr. Cameraman, let's have a close-up of a Xiang Guo aromatic pot. Wow, smells so good. Done perfectly. All the vegetables, shrimp, fish. Are you ready to try it?
Yeah, I'm looking forward.
I know you like a lot of beancurd sticks. And give you a shrimp, this one already peeled. Great. Fish. And you love potato. Where's potato? Here. Good to start with.
Thank you.
And I will take some shrimp, fish, cauliflower, lotus roots. I love the enoki mushrooms. Where's the shrimp? The peeled shrimp. It's hiding from me. This is a fish. Come on. Hiding. Okay, take one with shell. Ready to eat? Let's go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Fish is so good.
Really good.
Numbing, right? Spicy. Vegetables. Crunchy.
Wow, the shrimp are great too.
Go. Let me try shrimp too. Perfect. You think we can finish the whole pot?
Easily.
Lot of vegetables, right? So actually you guys can make this less spicy or even non-spicy. Just skip the Doubanjiang, the broad bean paste, and all the chili peppers. So you can use other spices, right, to make this. So good. Here's my enoki mushrooms. Lotus root. Crunchy. No sweet. Awesome. Wonderful. One pot dish, right? Please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you ever had Xiang Guo, the aromatic pot, numbing and the spicy aromatic pot, or if you are going to make this. I read all your comments, good or bad, mostly good, right? And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.